Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed in just 5 minutes. We got 22-inch rims with Bentley floating caps on all 4 corners, wrapped up in 2 75s in the front and 3 15s in the rear. The only thing that can make these look better is Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Sheets by yours truly. Click that link in the bio and get with it. We got a big old hefty premium key fob to match the premium price tag that they asking for this Bentley. And you can even open and close the trunk right here from the key fob, or you can get up on that thing real close and personal and hit the big old B to get in there. You ain't never got to worry about tearing your rotator cuff in this joint because you got something that hands you your seatbelt whenever you get in your Bentley. The back of the Bentley just might be my favorite part of the Bentley, even though I love the entire look of the car along with this light satin sapphire paint job that costs $22,000. And I love this rear diffuser along with the side skirts and front lip splitter. Now my height is 6'10", there's not too many coupes that your boy can fit in with good leg room and headroom. In this, I got both. We got LED headlights and tail lights to match along with this massive front grille and huge air intakes. You got 2 cup holders behind the retractable door, a leather wrapped armrest with storage space, a wireless phone charger, along with a 12-volt charger and 2 USB-C chargers. Now under the hood, we got a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 producing 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, giving you 16 miles per gallon in the city and 21 on the highway. Now, as you can tell, me and my dog Farid just got stuck in the rain making this 5-minute review. So if y'all really appreciate this content and y'all want to truly support us, click that link in the bio right now and get your Barrett's Automotive products, because as you can tell, we're gonna have to wash this car again with that Barrett's Automotive sensational shampoo, that foam-tastic wash and wax, and that ceramic wax. Even in the rain, we got a 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. With a top speed of 208 miles an hour. Not only you got a decent amount of space in this trunk, but you also got a 12-volt charger, your charging cables which are strapped down to the ground along with a Bentley bag, and you can even close the trunk right here for pushing a button. Of course your Bentley got keyless entry. So not only can you drive this car in EV mode, and the joint will be pure crickets of silence, but you can also flip that thing in the sport like right now, drive this joint in the rain, go around corners, and it's gonna hook up and give you everything you want every single time. This car might be split. It got dual personalities, man. We got memory seats in this coupe for the driver and front seat passenger, but we also got heated and cooled seats along with massaging seats with 5 different modes and 5 different levels of intensity, and they're also plush and extra comfortable along with looking damn good. But if you want to make them look better, make sure you get some of that Barrett's Automotive pristine leather conditioner by clicking that link in the bio right now and getting with it by yours truly. Not only do we got a high resolution heads-up display so you don't never have to take your eyes off the road, you got a high resolution modern futuristic Guardians of the Galaxy type digital gauge cluster that lets you reconfigure it however you want by pressing the view button and going through 4 different reconfigurations. And if you press these arrows left or right, you can navigate things such as your night vision, media, telephone, navigational maps, date and time, and even your driver assist. Now this infotainment screen, this is big James Bond / Inspector Go gadget, because that joint be flipping and dipping and bag of chipping it, man, however you want to do it. But it also offers things like climate controls, a wellness center with smart seat climate controls in it, and even postural adjustments, weather, and even car that showcases your vehicle's status, where you can lower and raise the height of this vehicle, monitor your tire pressure, and even your hybrid powertrain, along with ambient lighting with a bunch of colors to choose from. And you can even check your oil levels from here, man. Man, you gotta watch whatever section you in out here in LA. You got so many B's in this car, they might ask you where you from, because I mean, you gotta be on the brake pedal, steering wheel, gear shifter, and even your analog clock. Not only do we got heated side mirrors, but all you gotta do is press a button to automatically roll down all 4 windows of this car up or down whenever you want. On both sides of the center console is abundant side storage space for the front seat passenger and driver. Whenever you want to gain access to your back seat for your back seat passengers, all you gotta do is pull this latch and these seats will move forward and backwards automatically, and even stop and detect your knees so that way it don't crush it like a tuna can. Encased around your engine start stop button is your drive mode selector that you gotta spin every single time you wanna go from sport, Bentley, comfort, or custom. Now, although your boy ain't got no headroom in the back seat, my legroom ain't that bad, but if I want to get a little bit more legroom and compromise theirs in the front, I can press the arrow right here to adjust it forward or backwards to my comfort level. Now, we do got a few minis in the back of this thing, like 2 cup holders behind the retractable door, 2 USB-C chargers, a 12-volt charger, your very own armrest with your very own window switch, and 2 hanger hooks. Now, that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed in just 5 minutes.